Hey guys, Forrest here with 140 acres and retired. I'm going to show you a little area I'm going to develop, and I'm going to turn it into hopefully a place where the cats can go and play and have fun all the time. Behind me here you can see that one area, the video I just posted. What happens when you don't take care of your vines around trees? It just simply kills everything. But just to the south of this little baby, the vines haven't quite made it over here yet. They're trying to. You can see one there going up. I'll get him real soon here. A few over here, but as a whole, this little spot, I'll make a little trail through here for me and Rose to walk to the creek in. But overall, I'm going to leave it pretty much like it is, other than getting rid of the obviously big wood. And leave this open so my cat's got a place they can come and play. They already really like it over here. And over here with a couple times, it's right here. By a lot of trees, a lot of places they can hide. Cats love to hide. A lot of little places like that they can actually climb a tree and be able to come back down. Creek's right over here. It's all that beautiful moss. Creek's right over here. They need a little drink of water. They are set for life. Yeah. This area ain't so much a cleanup area, though. I'm going to get rid of all this kind of stuff, like all this brush, and do a basic hard clean. And overall, we're going to leave it just like this. A nice trail will come through here for me and my wife. That'll be the bulk of the cleaning. I've already sat there a few times. Just sit, listen to the creek. One of my favorite sounds out here when I'm just sitting doing nothing, if I'm not by the creek. There's just zero noise. I'm just telling you. It's pretty awesome. So these spices are already there. I think I might have lost Coon. Coon's not a good follower. He kind of beats to his own drum, does his own thing. Yeah, this is going to be a really neat little place. Boots loves this area. I wish he was here today. Should have waited for this video for him. He just he brings out the kid at him. Yeah. Baby's old. You can see the cool mushrooms growing out of it. So I'll come in here. I'll get rid of all these long logs like that. That's this baby here we'll cut up and probably use. I'll make a couple real good posts. And I'm kind of back out to this flat area. I've done tremendous work straight ahead all the way to the creek, cleaning all these trees up, getting all the vines off of them. Every tree out here had vines on them. But not now. All right. Forrest out. Just wanted to show you where our cats are going to be playing. See ya.